Has anyone ever told you AI is going to take your job? He might actually be right, but the real story isn't that robots are coming for you. It's that those who understand how to use AI are going to replace those who don't. So let's talk about what's actually happening. For the last century, jobs have been changing slowly. You had time to adapt, maybe learn a new skill, and adjust. But right now, AI is moving faster than any technology humans have ever built. Graphic designers, programmers, editors, and translators, almost every field is getting hit. The thing isn't that AI is smarter, but it's that AI is cheaper. It is actually faster and better for most businesses. But actually talking, AI isn't taking everything out there. It's taking tasks. And the more repetitive your work is, the more danger you're in. And if your work is literally follow instructions, AI does that better than humans. So here is what is actually happening. Customer support is automated. Entry-level coding is automated too. Video editing is becoming automated too. And content creation itself is becoming automated. And this is the part nobody wants to accept. Most people don't have unique skills. They have just tasks. So they are replaceable. But here's the catch. AI takes places, but it creates opportunities like crazy. The people who learn how to use it instantly become more valuable. One person using AI can work like 5 people. If you know how to use AI for research, scripting, coding, design, optimization, and automation, you can basically level up overnight. Right now, we are in a weird moment where AI is powerful, but most people refuse to learn it. They think it's cheating. Meanwhile, the people who actually learn it will leave them in dust. So what do? 3 simple things. Learn how AI works, not deeply, just enough to use it. Integrate it into your work. If AI can do 60% of your job, use it and focus on the 40% it can't do. Build skills that AI struggles with, like judgment and creativity and leadership. It is as simple as AI won't replace people who adapt, it will replace people who don't. AI won't be your problem. Ignoring it might become. You have to learn it now unless you want to be replaced by someone who did. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about an important AI tool. So if you have a question, please drop a comment below. And bye!